Hello, this is a probability problem. So we are given the probability of a pregnant woman giving birth to a girl. So let us represent that with that probability of giving birth to a girl. And with blue eyes. So if probability of giving birth to a child with blue eyes is this, so probability of giving birth to a girl and blue eyes is 1/4. So that is and probability of giving birth to a girl and blue eyes is 1/4, right? So the probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1 divided by 2, and with blue eyes is 1/4. So probability of giving birth to a girl and with a blue eyes is 1/4. Now, what is the probability that she will give birth to a girl with blue eyes? Actually, we can think about this in two ways. From first way, right, we can say that the probability of giving birth to a child with blue eyes, right, given the child is a girl, the probability of giving birth to a child with blue eyes given that the child is a girl, that is the probability of giving birth to a girl and with a blue eyes divided by the probability of giving birth to a girl. That is a conditional statement. So this is called conditional probability. Conditional. So probability of giving birth to a girl and with blue eyes were given to be 1 divided by 4, and divided by probability that the child is a girl, 1 divided by 2. So that is 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 2. That is 1 divided by 8. Right? So that is one solution. Probably the question can also be thought of. I'm thinking, based on the lower level class, if the intention of the examiner is that, remember, if the intention of the examiner is that the probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1/2, if the probability that the child she will give birth to has blue eyes is 1/4, if this is the intention of the examiner, the probability she will give birth to a girl is 1/2, and the probability that she will give birth to a child with blue eyes is 1/4. If that is the intention, then the probability of giving birth to a girl with blue eyes, that is, she's a girl and with blue eyes. Don't get me wrong, okay? So we will interpret this question in another way, then we interpret this question another way. So the examiner needs to make sure like the questions are actually right. Let me come back. The first one, the interpretation is the probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1/2. Now, if the probability that she will give birth to a child with blue eyes is probability of B, written this way, but the question says, and with blue eyes, that is the probability she will give birth to a girl and with blue eyes is 1/4, if that is the interpretation. Because the question is not saying the probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1/2 and the probability for a child with blue eyes is 1/4. It's not really direct. So the question is saying the probability that she will give birth to a girl is 1/2 and with blue eyes is 1/4. That is, a girl, probability of giving birth to a girl and with a blue eyes is now 1/4. But if the intention of the examiner is the probability of a girl is 1/2 and the probability that a child with blue eyes is 1/4, what is the probability that she will give birth to a girl with blue eyes? That is giving birth to a child to a girl and with blue eyes. So that would be probability of a girl multiplied by probability of having blue eyes, which is 1/2 times 1/4, which is 1/8. This is not guaranteed that this will always happen. There's no guarantee, but this problem, they are the same because they are independent events, independent. So that is why we have these to be the same. But we have to understand the question, because now these are different, right? I got intersection here to be 1/4, but the intersection here is 1/8. So we need to really understand probability problem to know what we are going for. The way I understand this problem, I will go with this, but I know the mind of the examiner, like based on the experience. I know the mind of the examiner. They're trying to picture this. This is what they're trying to picture. I guess this is what they're trying to picture. That the probability she will give it to get is 1/2, and the probability that a child will have blue eyes is 1/4. So, like, they need to be so clear. The probability that a child will have blue eyes is 1/4. So, if she will not give birth to a girl and the girl will have blue eyes, it will not be this, then we have this. So, but for the interpretation, the way they wrote this problem, I'll go with the first one. So we should have that interpretation in mind. But if we do it this way, we're also good. But this does not work always. All right, so our answer is C. I'll see you in the next problem.